Hi, I'm Maree, and in this video we'll be answering the most common questions asked about our new online zipper course, Zip Along with Confidence. So, who is this course for?
This course is perfect if you're a complete beginner and have never sewn in zips before. Or you might be an intermediate or advanced sewer and you're not quite happy with the finish of your zips. You might know how to sew them all in, but you'd like to create a professional finish. Or perhaps you forget how to sew in zips in between your sewing projects that have zippers in them. You'll be able to reference these videos whenever you need. Or lastly, perhaps you avoid all sewing projects if they have zips in them because you're a little bit scared to sew in zips. This is the course for you. As the title describes, you will be able to zip along with confidence.
That is so true, Jackie, about people avoiding patterns that have zips. So this will certainly help you to choose a wider variety of patterns to sew zips into. So what will you actually make?
Well, you can follow the entire zipper course and make samples of each of the zippers as you go along, so you can have your own reference book. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just wait until you have a sewing project with a zipper in, and then you can follow the specific module of the zip technique that you need for that particular sewing project.
And what will I actually learn?
You will learn a lot. There's a great big list that Maree here is teaching you. So you will learn the 5 most common zip types, how to apply facings and linings when sewing invisible zips, how to use the invisible zipper foot, the invisible zip ironing trick, how to sew 5 zip types with a perfect finish, how to apply a variety of types of zips to a variety of different fabrics types, where to use interfacing when sewing your zips, that's a very important one too, how to make zip templates for perfect zip guides, the magic zipper trick, and expert sewing tips and skills from Maree all the way along.
And what will I get in the zipper course?
Firstly, you'll get the requirement list, so you know exactly what you need to start. You'll get over 3.5 hours of expert sewing video tutorials with Maree. You'll have easy step-by-step written instructions and online access, so you can follow this course wherever you like with your smart device and an internet connection.
And what will I need to complete this course?
You will need a sewing machine and basic sewing needs.
And which patterns will I need?
There is no pattern, so you don't have to worry about getting a pattern. You can, of course, use this zipper online sewing course for any sewing project and pattern that you'll be using.
And how does this online sewing course work?
So you can go to our website and buy it online there. Once you've purchased our online sewing course, then you will receive access details. Once you receive them, you can click on the links and watch the videos. You can download the written requirements and then get started. So basically you need your computer or a smart device and an internet connection, and then you can start following the videos and with your sewing projects. So you just need to schedule a day when you'd like to. You do not have to use this course straight away. If you're not going to be making zips for a little while, that's fine. Once you've purchased and you have access, then you'll be able to continue having that access. There isn't an end time.
And what if I never sew zips into my projects?
Well, if you never sew zips and you don't want to ever sew a zip, then no, this zipper course is not for you. But do remember, if you are sewing projects with zippers in the patterns, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's the only time you use zips, because zips can be inserted into sewing garments and projects as features and really interesting ways that you can put into garments. And I'm sure if you Google online, you'll be able to see some great inspiration on how you can put zippers into projects to make them look really interesting and different.
And the big question, when can I buy this course?
Well, we're officially launching in just a few days, but if you can't wait to get our Zip Along with Confidence online sewing course, we've included the link below so you can get started right away. And we cannot wait to see your beautiful zips. So if you are sewing them and you join us in this course, make sure you send us some pictures of your finished zippers.